Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by shutting power at the breaker and verifying dead wires with a non-contact tester. This protects you and prevents sparks. Once done, put on goggles and gloves, set a ladder securely, and photograph the box wiring to document connections. Make sure you have your screwdriver, pliers, wire nuts, and a small container for screws within reach so you don't interrupt the task. This setup saves time and reduces mistakes as you begin removing the fixture and cover. You now remove the fixture screws and lower the light assembly while supporting its weight. Don't let it hang on the wires. Once exposed, separate and label each conductor: hot, neutral, and ground, so reassembly is foolproof. Then loosen the wire nuts and gently untwist connections, inspecting each conductor for nicks, burn marks, or corrosion. If insulation is compromised, plan to trim and restrip to sound copper. Make sure to fold wires neatly back into the box. As you proceed to the junction, you remove the junction box by unscrewing its mounting screws or releasing the retaining clips while supporting the box with your other hand so it doesn't drop. Once free, disconnect the cable clamp or conduit and withdraw the cables. Cap exposed conductors with wire nuts if the box stays removed, or transfer to a new box as needed. After installing or replacing components, restore power and test circuits with a multimeter. If a light won't work, check that the hot and neutral weren't swapped. That's the most common error to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.